guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title below, today we are trying new Starbucks drinks. But before we get started, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. If you guys like me, it does help. Let your friends know, let your grandma know, let everybody and their mamas know. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started because these drinks are going to start melting. First off the bat, we have the tall iced brown sugar oat milk espresso. Now this is a new drink that just came out. I'm guessing, is this considered spring? I don't know if it's considered spring, but basically there's brown sugar in here, and you guys already know if there's oat milk, I am on it, because there's nothing better than oat milk. So this is what it looks like. Yum. And I just got a tall because I didn't want to waste my money getting all these drinks. It doesn't taste like brown sugar. I don't really taste the brown sugar in this one. I'm kind of sad. What the heck? What brown sugar? Sad face. Your girl's sad. There's no brown sugar in this. It doesn't really taste like. It tastes like there's like cinnamon, but. So for the tall iced brown sugar oat milk espresso, I'm gonna give this a 2 out of 5. For the next one, we have a tall ice chocolate almond milk espresso. I think I told, yeah, actually tall ice chocolate almond espresso. So there's almond milk in this one. I've never had chocolate almond milk espresso before, but I saw on Miss Stephanie Papa's, she said almond milk with this pistachio drink is really good. So I'm guessing it's kind of similar, chocolate and almond. Okay, I don't even know what I'm talking about at this point. So this is a chocolate almond milk and espresso. It is pretty much like an iced latte. It does look pretty good. Alright, let's try it. That tastes weird.
6.5 hours later.
That tastes weird. This tastes... No offense to anybody who likes this at all. This tastes... strange. It tastes kind of fruity. But I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to taste fruity. 0 out of 5 for that one. And I never give anything zeros. Okay, a 1. I'll give it a 1. A 1 out of 0. That's just, that should be illegal. They got me messed up on that one. Let's see, this one is a tall iced almond honey. What does FW stand for? What did I order? It's a tall ice almond honey FW. What is the FW? So this one is supposed to taste like honey, okay guys? This is a somewhat new drink on the menu. Alright, let's try this. You can actually taste the honey. Okay, this one's actually good. Guys, give a tall ice honey FW latte a try. What the fuck is FW?
I ordered a tall ice honey espresso.
Oat milk. Wow, the oat milk with this honey is pretty good. 5 out of 5 for this one. Highly recommended. If you guys get your hands on this one. As for this almond chocolate one, that one's no bueno. And then the first one is okay. Needs more sugar in that one. They didn't put enough brown sugar in that one. Anyways, if there's anything else you guys want me to try in the future, let me know in the comments below. If you guys like the snack videos, also let me know. I'm kind of itching to do a review video, so I'm waiting for some leggings to come in so I could do a review video for you guys. The TikTok popular legging videos. So if you guys have a request, let me know in the comments below. I might even try a McDonald's. You know what? I'm kind of in the mood for McDonald's. That is all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I kept it pretty simple and sweet for you guys. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.